Hello, Keulers, and welcome back to another huge construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. The transformation continues at an incredible pace, with major progress visible across the facade, the compression ring, and several key construction zones around the stadium. At the same time, diamond structure work is accelerating once again, bringing some of the most exciting areas of the project back into focus. Let's take a closer look at all the latest developments from the Camp Nou construction site. One of the most impressive developments can be seen in the South Goal area. Façade louvre installation has accelerated considerably, with workers completing almost the entire section of the false ceiling and the surrounding bracket structures. Only a small gap remains, and lifting platforms are already positioned nearby, suggesting that the final louvres could be installed very soon. The transformation of this section over the past week has been remarkable and is bringing the stadium exterior much closer to its final appearance. Attention is also shifting toward the adjacent areas where louvre support structures have already been installed. The mounting points are largely ready, indicating that facade installation could soon expand into these sectors. At ground level, large quantities of construction materials are visible, including compression ring components, flanges, pillars, and additional structural elements waiting to be lifted into position. Work on the compression ring remains one of the most important activities on site. A new flange section was recently lifted into position, and crews were seen connecting it to the radial beam structure. Construction teams continue extending the ring deeper into the South Goal sector. New pillars and radial beams have also been installed, allowing the structure to progress steadily around the stadium perimeter. Workers were actively lifting additional facade louvres into place, with only a handful of panels remaining before this section reaches completion. The installation pace has been extremely fast, and this area could be fully covered within a very short time. Meanwhile, support structures continue expanding across the mobility core zones, preparing additional sections for future facade work. Moving to the lateral side of the stadium, attention shifts to the diamond structures. Construction crews are preparing another diamond zone, removing excess concrete and exposing reinforcement bars that will form part of the future walls and pillars. This activity suggests that another phase of diamond construction is about to begin, continuing the development of one of the stadium's most distinctive architectural features. Further along the lateral side, another diamond structure has already reached an advanced stage. Formwork has been installed, and preparations for concrete pouring are well underway. These developments are particularly significant because diamond construction had slowed considerably in recent months. With the summer construction period now underway, teams have returned to these areas and are rapidly advancing several diamond zones simultaneously. Additional progress can also be seen around the lateral corner section, where new columns have been formed and concrete work has advanced noticeably. Many of the formwork panels have already been removed, revealing newly completed structural elements. The pace of change over just 1 week highlights how active this area has become. At the North Goal corner, new compression ring components continue arriving on site. Large structural sections, pillars, and additional materials were delivered and prepared for installation. Above, workers remain focused on assembling the compression ring structure. Several flange sections have already been installed, while others are still required to close the remaining gaps between radial beams. Across the North Goal sector, teams are concentrating on installing and securing facade support systems. Workers were seen adjusting and tightening anchor points that will eventually support the louvre panels. While the louvres themselves have not yet been installed in many of these areas, the preparation work is progressing steadily and creating the foundation for future facade installation. Near the corner connecting the North Goal and the main stand, support structures for the louvres continue expanding. Upper and middle support rows are now largely complete, while lower sections still require additional installation. Multiple work platforms remain active throughout the area as crews continue preparing the facade framework. In the main stand sector, construction activity remains intense. Workers continue installing and finishing sandwich panel sections, while large quantities of materials remain stored throughout the area. A newly delivered escalator was also visible on site, indicating continued progress on the stadium's internal circulation systems. Further progress can be seen in the installation of utility systems beneath the first cantilever. Pipework networks have expanded significantly and now extend through large sections of the stand. At the same time, crews continue surface finishing work, polishing concrete floor elements and preparing interior spaces for future stages of construction. Near the store-side diamond area, workers have cleared significant amounts of material and temporary barriers. Large glass panels, frames, and other construction elements remain stored nearby, but the cleared space now provides a much better view of future interior works that will take place in this section over the coming months. And that wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. From the rapidly expanding facade to the continued growth of the compression ring and the return of diamond construction, progress is visible across almost every corner of the stadium. The project continues to move forward at an impressive pace, and some of the biggest milestones are still ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.